Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am really excited to share this tag with you today. This is something I made for a swap hosted by my friend Elizabeth, and we had to do a tag in the theme of spring, and also we had to include some products from Renee Bouquets, and so this is what I came up with. I really hope my swap partner likes it, and so anyway, I'd like to share how I made it with you and a little bit about the products I used. So anyway, I started out with a piece of chipboard that is 4 by 7, and I just cut the angles here on the sides, and then I cut the paper to match. Now, the paper is from a journal kit, a digital journal kit that I have in my stash, and um, so I will have to put a link to that below because I honestly don't remember which collection it is off the hand, and I don't even remember which company it is. I get confused because I printed two different collections out, so I just want to make sure I get the right one before I commit. So I'll put that in the description box below, but it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm loving these pink, blues, and yellows for spring. I think that's just a fun combination, and then also, the Renee Bouquet products I've used is this absolutely stunning chipboard piece here, and the little butterflies here. And this chipboard piece, or beautiful board, as Renee Bouquet calls it, was just too beautiful to cover up or to, I don't know, I just wanted it to showcase the entire tag, and so I decided to add the embellishments behind it, and so I decided to do this shaker tag because I really just didn't want to cover anything up and or take away from the beautiful piece here. And so what I did was, before I glued the top paper on, I sewed a piece of tulle on there, a piece of pink tulle, and then I left an opening for the sequins, and I tucked those in there. Now the sequins I'm using are from Dress My Craft, and it's the pink celebration sequins, and you can see how pretty those colors are and how perfectly they match. And anyway, so those are the sequins I used, and then I just finished sewing it up, and I added a piece of ribbon from my stash on the side there just to add a little bit of shabby and just give it some interest. And then I added a few of these little tiny Renee Bouquet butterflies, and I mean, I just love these little tiny butterflies. For a while there you couldn't get them, and they're back now, and so you'll have to check out, I'll put Renee Bouquet's website in a link below. So many beautiful spring products, and so many things to choose from, and then you can check out a lot of the wonderful and beautiful things that people create using her products on the Renee Bouquet's Artists with an Edge Facebook page. And then she also has an Instagram page too, if you're not on Facebook. So, and you'll have to check it out. So many beautiful things. I mean, and just so many diverse and wonderful projects to choose from, to look at. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. And then I also just used some ribbon from my stash and added a few beads just to carry on the bling from the tag. And so there it is. I hope my swap partner enjoys this. I'm going to add a couple more goodies before I box it up and send it to her. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope that you will join me for my upcoming videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell. And as always, I would appreciate a thumbs up. That really helps me out, and it would be appreciated. So, hey, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.